How to cancel exposed app subscription. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device. Here tap on your Apple ID name and further tap on the subscriptions option. In the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to see all your active and inactive subscriptions. You will also see the date for when that next payment is due to be taken from your account. Now, tap on the exposed option under the active subscription section. And then in here, you will have the option to cancel subscription at the bottom of your screen. Simply tap on it and a pop-up window will appear that says Confirm Cancellation. Tap on the Confirm button and you will not be charged anymore. Also, you can carry on using the app until the subscription date was originally due. Also, deleting the exposed app or your exposed account will not cancel your subscription, and the subscriptions renew automatically unless you cancel your subscription manually on your own. So, this is how you can cancel exposed app subscription. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.